Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? How's it going? I am good, and you? I'm Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Welcome to Levantine Shami Sentences playlist. Today I will explain to you some of Levantine or Shami sentences one by one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all Arabic dialects in my channel. So now, let's start. These are our sentences for today in Levantine or Shami dialect. Our first sentence is ta'a. Ta'a. Ta'a, it means come. When you are talking to a male. Ta'a, come. Ta'a, come. It's an order tense. Next sentence is خليك واقف هون. خليك واقف هون. خليك, it means stay. When you are talking to a male, it's an order or common tense. Stay. خليك. واقف, it's an adjective for male and it means standing. واقف is standing. Standing for male. هون is here. هون is here. خليك واقف هون. Stay standing here. خليك واقف هون. Stay standing here. Next sentence is خليني إلك شي. خليني إلك شي. خليني means let me. خليني let me. إلك till you. إلك till you. She is thing or something. She, thing or something. Together, خليني إلك شي. Let me tell you something. خليني إلك شي. Let me tell you something. Next sentence is أنا ما بحب الرز. أنا ما بحب الرز. أنا ما بحب الرز. أنا I, ما not, بحب I love or I like. بحب I love or I like. الرز, the rice. The rice. Riz is rice in general. الرز, the rice. So together أنا ما بحب الرز. I don't like rice. أنا ما بحب الرز. I don't like rice. Next sentence is لا تخاف يا أخي. لا تخاف يا أخي. لا is don't. Don't. تخاف, when you are talking to a male, it means you scare. You scare or afraid as a verb. Ya is a calling tool. Ya is a calling tool. We use it before any name or noun. Akhi is my brother. Akhi, my brother. Akh is brother. Akhi, my brother. لا تخاف يا أخي. Don't be scared, brother. لا تخاف يا أخي. Don't be scared, brother. Next sentence in Shami or Levantine is خد هالمصاري. خد هالمصاري. خد, it means take, is an order or common tense when you are talking to a male. خد, take. هالمصاري. المصاري is the money. هالمصاري, this money. if the money is near from you. Okay. المصاري money, هالمصاري this money. So خد هالمصاري take this money. خد هالمصاري take this money. Next sentence is أبوك جوا. أبوك جوا. Abu is father. أبوك your father. جوا inside. أبوك جوا is your father inside. أبوك جوا is your father inside. Next sentence is أبوك شلونه. أبوك شلونه. أبوك, as we said, your father. شلونه. شلون, it means how. شلون, how. شلونك, how you, when you are talking to a male. شلونك, how you, when you are talking to a female. شلونه, how is he. شلونه, how is he. أبوك, your father. شلونه, how is he. Together, أبوك شلونه means how is your father. أبوك شلونه, how is your father. Our last sentence for today is شو قصدك. شو قصدك. شو, what. قصدك, you mean. قصدك, you mean. And as you can see, the qaf, we spell it as an a in Levantine or Shami dialect. شو قصدك means what do you mean. شو قصدك, what do you mean. So these are our 9 sentences for today in Shami or Levantine dialect. I hope that you enjoyed them and you learned a new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and you can also donate to my YouTube channel and support me. And don't forget also to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because really I have all Arabic dialects in my channel. And I upload videos daily, so I will see you tomorrow with a new video and a new dialect and a new lesson. So see you tomorrow. Salam, peace, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.